For SMUD, community is really at the heart of all we do. It was hard not to go to Puerto Rico based on that. It was a humanitarian crisis. It's something we absolutely needed to do. We had staff in Puerto Rico for more than 2 months.
The devastation was widespread. I mean, it hit right in the middle of the island, so everywhere you looked, it was bad. And we showed up 6 months after it happened, so the amount of devastation that was still present was, I mean, it was a little mind-boggling.
Our crews had an amazing impact on the people of Puerto Rico. They did it with such heart because they knew that they were making a difference in these people's lives. And when you stop and think about it, it is as much about restoring hope as it is restoring power.
Seeing how they dealt with with the hand that they were given and just dealing without power for 6 months, but still having to live life, get up, go to work, you know, hot water cooking, things that you take for granted, they just made do. It was eye-opening.
You genuinely met people that were so grateful. You can't put into words how grateful they were just to have something that we do every day, something we take for granted here. You do something simple for somebody and, you know, it's life-changing for them.
I felt incredible pride watching them work. The response from the people in Puerto Rico to our crews was so heartwarming. These are folks who had been out of power for 6 months, something we can't even imagine. And to see the reaction of the neighbors when our crews drove up and the joy and the hope in their faces was really, really remarkable.
The light!